can identify IT vulnerabilities very quickly. It can detect unfamiliar or suspicious activities that traditional systems might overlook. AI can respond to attacks in real time and use machine learning to predict future attacks, for example, by analyzing historical data. On the other, there are also the risks. Some of AI's biggest benefits could prove or downfall, for example, the pace of generating new methods of attack or the virtually unlimited ability to learn. As we can see, AI is a powerful tool. It is therefore imperative that we are aware of its opportunities and threats, and have and train enough brilliant minds to use it adaptively and involve it in a trustworthy manner. Right from the development stage, we must ensure that new AI systems are in line with their values and security requirements. The federal government's stance is crystal clear. We must put a stop to any discrimination or threats to our democracy. We need intelligent, forward-looking, and above all, practical regulation. We have achieved just that in the European AI Act, which will likely enter into force in July. During the talks on the Act, we worked to find innovation-friendly rules. That was a priority for me. The compromise reached provides a reliable framework and guidance. Now it is up to us to implement the AI Act with the lightest possible touch. Implementation will be based on standards for businesses. The AI Act envisages a series of standards, and the European Committee for Standardization is working at full stretch to formulate them. It is important that you contribute and proactively educate yourselves. You all know that standards are the result of the pooled experience and expertise of a range of interest groups such as manufacturers, sellers, buyers, users, and regulatory authorities. Each and every one of you can make a key contribution to this process. However, AI is not just a European issue, but a global one. It is therefore also important that the rules we agree in Europe are aligned with international efforts. And that is precisely why we are engaging with politicians and experts from all over the world to jointly address the risks associated with artificial intelligence. And within the G7, we have already agreed a common code of conduct. It stipulates that advanced AI must be developed in line with our values. AI systems of this kind must not be used to harm our democracies, manipulate people, and support terrorism or other criminal activities. And with the code, we have established international guardrails and can keep AI developers accountable. We will continue our international exchange on this at the AI Seoul Summit, jointly hosted by South Korea and Great Britain in late May. And it is important that we never lose sight of the immense potential of AI with all the talk of risks and regulation. My aim is to inspire more people and companies with my enthusiasm for AI. I want to convince them of the many new opportunities it brings, build trust, and allay their concerns. This is because I believe that anyone who chooses not to use AI who completely ignores this new technology will very soon feel the effects and quickly fall behind the competition. And that is why we launched Mission AI last year, to continue to help Germany advance as a pioneer in AI development and use. As part of this initiative, the federal government is setting up regional AI hubs. The first will open in Kaiserslautern this summer. It will give founders, startups, and companies advice on the trustworthiness of their AI applications. They can trial their applications and improve them there. And at the same time, the hubs give them access to cutting-edge research and as well as innovation and growth partners. This will be followed by a hub in Berlin that will focus on the opportunities of AI and bring them to life for citizens with exhibits. Another goal of Mission AI is to develop transparent, widely applicable AI quality and test standards. Work on this started back in December in cooperation with key stakeholders and experts on AI standardization and testing. Also, as a part of Mission AI, a series of events is currently being prepared to network AI startups with small and medium-sized enterprises. The first event is slated for July. We are doing all of this because we are convinced that AI is a game changer. Without AI, the German and European economies will not be competitive. That is why we will continue to do everything in our power to involve and intelligently deploy this key technology. Our approach can be summed up as follows: education, intelligent regulation, promotion, and inspiration. I would like to thank everyone involved in this mission. You're making Germany and Europe the hotspot for AI. And I wish you and all of us a very successful event, and thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you so much.